Hey friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a blank page in Dreamweaver. So this is the welcome screen you have, and where you create a new document. Basically, like you have an HTML here, but it's not necessary that you'll always get a welcome screen on your Dreamweaver at first hand, because it's your personal choice. You want your screen to be visible or not. There are options under like edit and preferences, or you want it at first hand or not, or if you have like file new, it's a new document over here, this page. Here also you have a blank page with an HTML, and there are multiple layouts over here how you want your website to be. Like if you have one column, you want two columns, you want two columns with right sidebar or left sidebar, maybe three columns, hybrid, liquid. There are different layouts you have over here. I'll let you know how what these layouts are and what all the differences they have. So here I'm basically going to tell you how to create a blank page. Means you can say how to create a blank canvas over here, and how you can build your website on Dreamweaver. Okay, so make sure that you have selected the HTML page type over here, and as you can see there are already a preset layouts which Dreamweaver has already provided to their users to make it more easy for them to actually select. Maybe one, if they want a one column over here which says one centered column with an ems, which is divided by an ems, not in pixels, and you have two column elastic left sidebar. That means you have one left sidebar, and it's again all the widths are in ems, not in pixels. So now you have two columns fixed. Here you have a left sidebar, and the width are in pixels, not in ems, so it's fixed over here. You have one hybrid, which says that you have two columns, one left sidebar, one main pane. So here in left sidebar you have ems with an ems, and in your main pane you have main column with in percentage, not in pixels, not in ems. And as you have same things, you have here three columns, like you have all things in ems, all the widths are in ems, so they scale with font size. You can see the description over here also, which is visible, and you can select as per what your requirements are. And also, if you want to create your own layout from scratch, you don't need to go for a preset layout, then you can select over here none. But I would always recommend you to go with these presets, because it's more easy to use for first time users, and it's more like free flow. Okay, so let me select. Okay, so if one has to create a layout from scratch, then they have to select none. And here in a doc type you have multiple types of doc types, like if you want to go for straight, you can go for XHTML straight or maybe HTML straight, but I would go for XHTML transitional, which is like I would prefer to go with. Here you have attached CSS file. This means like you can attach your CSS file, external CSS file over here, but I would recommend you to actually put some stuff on your website. Then if you include your external CSS file, that would be easy to use and more clear to use. Okay, so select here none, and then click on create. Voila. So here you have a document, a code. You can see here you have a code view over here, you have split view, you have design view. Code view, what it does, it actually just give you some heads up on what your startup is. This is just a startup over here. It's already been designed by it's by default you have such kind of code already written, so that you can actually start from somewhere. So like in the split you have a design view over here and it's a code view over here. In design you have a design view only, you cannot see a code view over here. So it's a personal choice how you want to work with. You can actually go with only code, or maybe design, and or maybe split. So here you have a live view, which is actually very similar to what you're going to see in your uh, actual environment, your live environment. Okay guys, this is the blank document how you will start with your creating your website in a Dreamweaver. Let's meet you in another tutorial to start with this website.